Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Yadav, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about pest of cash crop. In cash crop, major crops is sugarcane. Then first pest of sugarcane, top borer and top shoot borer. Then scientific name Scarpophaga nivella. And the family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. The economic importance. It is the composition species and is considered to be a serious menace to the sugarcane cultivation in India. However, mild infestation of the pest is noticed in the UP as compared to the other borers. Maximum loss to the extent of 18.5 to 55% in the yield have been reported. The mark of identification: moth, creamy white, female possess orange colored tuft of the hair at the tip of abdomen. In males, each of the four wings has a black spot. Caterpillar yellowish, 25 to 35 length. Then host plant. In additional to sugarcane, it feeds on jawar, rice, maize, and some grasses. And sugar, mostly in sugarcane. The nature of damage: the pest injures to the cane in later stage and persists till harvest. The newly hatched caterpillar make a number of small holes on the leaf, shoot hole on the leaf, then enter into the midrib of the leaf, producing galleries in the midrib. Then life cycle: eggs 35 to 216 eggs are laid on underside of the leaf. The total incubation period 6 to 7 days. Larval period 3 to 6 weeks. Then pupa is inside the stem. Then total pupa period is 7 to 10 days. Then life cycle total completely is 5 to 9 weeks with 6 generations in a year. Then seasonal occurrence: the maximum activity of the pest is observed mostly in the October and November in Arsali planted cane. High humidity and late rains appear conducive for the increase in pest population. Then next page is sugarcane Pyrilla. Scientific name Pyrilla propulsula, family Fulgoridae, order Hemiptera. The economic importance: it is the major pest of sugarcane and weeds practically throughout the year. It is distributed throughout the India and is about loss of 26 to 35% in the yield. Then mark of identification: adult extra colored, two pair of wings folded like a roof on the back, head extended like a pointed beak. Limbs navally has ones are milky white with a pair of characteristic process filaments covered by wax. Very active and found in a large number of on cane. Then host plants. Uh, Besides sugarcane, it also feeds on wheat, barley, jowar, maize, bajra, etc. The nature of damage: both nymph and adult suck the cell shape from the lower surface of the leaf. As a result, plant lose uh, turgi- turgidity beginning of winter and get dry up. Then life cycle: eggs are pale greenish yellow. Single female laid about 400 eggs on the lower surface of the leaf. Then total incubation period 7 to 14 days in summer and 30 to 40 days in winter. Then nymph 50 to 60 days, 5 instar in summer and 50 to 80 days in winter. Then life cycle completed in 60 days in summer and 120 days in winter. Then 3 to 5 generation in a year. Then seasonal occurrence: cold winds and high humidity help in rapid multiplication. Low rainfall or prolonged dry spell and low temperature during monsoon also seem to be conducive for its profuse multiplication. Then several infestation of the pest is noticed during July and August in the endemic area. The management practices: collection and destruction of egg masses, removal of 5 to 6 lower most leaves, help in the reduction of Paella provoscilla as maximum eggs laying takes place on such leaves. The biological control: release of Lepidopteris nymph parasitoid Epidicania melanoleuca at the rate 5,000 cocoons per hectare. Then chemical control. Chemical control is hand spray of 0.035% phenethylamine and 0.05% malathion and 0.03% monoprotophos and 0.03% dimethyl. As soon as 30 to 5 individual eggs or nymph or adult leaf are noticed in May-June. Then in minor pest of sugarcane, scale insects, mealybugs, whitefly, and grasshopper, rats, aphids. Then pest of tobacco. Tobacco is tobacco pest. First is tobacco leaf eating caterpillar. Then scientific name is Spodoptera litura, family Nucleotoideae, order Lepidoptera. Economic importance: the pest is composition and polyphagous infesting various crops in the world. The mark of identification: adult moth are medium size sloth with 4 wings, grey to dark brown in color, with wavy marking. Hand wings are whitish. Then larva caterpillar are pelagrinus brown and smooth with yellowish green dorsal stool and prothoracic plate. Then full grown caterpillar measures 35 to 40 mm in length. Then host plant: tobacco, peas, brinjal and banana. The nature of damage: the caterpillar when young feed gregariously on leaf and juicy stem and become isolated at later stage of growth. Then life cycle: eggs are laid in masses covered with brown hair on tender leaf. Total larval period is 4 to 5 days, and total incubation is 4 to 5 days, and total larval period is 14 to 21 days. Pupa is 9 to 14 days, and total life cycle is 30 to 40 days. The management practices: collection of egg masses and caterpillars, flogging after harvest of the crop to destroy the pupa. Then at the early stage of infestation, dusting with 10% carbaryl at the rate 20 to 25 kg per hectare. Control the pest satisfactorily. The spray of SI NPV at the rate 250 LE per hectare. Then the use of sex pheromone trade with Spodulure. Thank you. This is a pest of cash crop.